Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. Nihar Sinam and ngasi sigi video sida 5 days after eyelid surgery lang satpa gi process ama yengminasi. See particular case sida bruising di khar lay adubu yam pom khatte. So aduna masana ju yam harau ki yam appreciate wigi that 5 days after surgery yam na pom ganba matam sida magi di yam pom de shapes yam phajai right left su pura manai aduna yam harau ki and magi yum gi minazu magi khusem zidi operation tawba mande operation tawi khanga zu mit ki khopom ze operation tawbai mo mande and lap na yengbada operation tawba gi yam obvious oibda oide and reddish yellowish oibazidi mitta eyeshadow thabagi makeup toksanbagi bachu malena amaina haine na engona haibirame. So bruise to was the 5 days tagi handarak pahorokani 1 week changbi 2 weeks changbi bruising sungtaw taw yawi bruising khara taw yawi sumaina bruising khari ham taw yawi sigi case ta bruising khari yam na tawi and akoina camera za uriba photo video da uriba bruising ze sina hen na ubo oi reality di sidai khidang di light oi sisina because of lighting conditions and because of camera ki color ki kasina khidang hen obvious oi and akoina zu yamna nakna munna yengbagi laptak na yengbada di sumani yam obvious indi ute. And as for the swelling sigi case da swelling yam tawgide yam clean surgery tawgi bleeding yam tawgide so yam pom khatkide bleeding yam tawdaba sina akoigi doctor ki side tagi section ba clean surgery tawba yam traumatic ohendaba patient ki side zu masana yam care lawzaba post operative advice person follow tawba hidak person chaba darkar oi. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Anything about eyelid surgery hangningba legadi comments ta thambiramo. Next video da amuk thengnarase. See you. Bye.